The broadcast extension can be used during a live broadcast to allow the broadcaster to annotate over their content. To demonstrate this, I will first connect to a broadcast session as a viewer. I am now joining the broadcast session as a viewer. You can see the live broadcast. The broadcaster will now open the broadcast extension and select to capture the current tab. Once they have captured the tab, they are now given the broadcast annotation menu, which they can use to draw on top of the broadcast. As you can see, the viewer sees a live image as the broadcaster is annotating. The broadcaster can then download the image and share that with the viewers at a later date.